Okay, you gotta go and I'll film. It's our little lap dog. She's more like a body pillow, but with heat. What? What's up, Rosie? Can you talk this morning? Can you say, I love you? Can you say that? Come here, come here. Come here, Rosie. Come here.
Sitting behind you.
There you are. Okay, we got you now. Can you say, Roro? Can you say, I love you? You say it. You say, I love you. Can you say that for me? Roro. Can you say, ow? Can you? Can you? You're such a small dog. You actually looked really big when I got you, but now you look kind of small. Don't you knock my coffee over, dog. Just filming you, dog. Hey, hey. Stop kissing me. Stop eating my salt. Get her all frisky. Oh, you're rough and tough. Big killer on the road. You wouldn't hurt a fly, you big old gorilla dog. This is a dog a Bigfoot would have. It's a Bigfoot, this would be a lap dog. Oh, you're just loving it up now. We are. Hey, Rosie, give me Knuckles. Knuckles. Give me Knuckles. Oh, bam, give me arms.